Hello there, welcome back. Today, let's draw a car. So, grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens, and let's start together. First, let's draw the roof, hood, trunk, now the shield, wheels, and now let's draw the windows, door, handle, tail light, and the headlight. Now, using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. And then erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.